Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by dancehall artist Vershon. Welcome, General.
Yeah, go on.
Bless up. I'm great, man. What do you want?
Vershon, congrats, my brother. You signed a UK deal with Parlophone Records / Saint Music, which is under the Warner Music Group. Now, tell us about, this deal.
It's a very good look, you know. At first, I work with an international label, but I'm very optimistic about what's to come. So it's a good look.
Seeing. So, all right. So you dropped Reality recently, featuring UK rapper Chip. Yeah, right. Big up Chip. How did this come about? What was it like working with the hitmakers Fanatics?
Fanatics was here last year.
Yeah.
I go check them in a mobile and then play the track for me, and I recorded the Reality song. But at first it was me alone, and when they went back to the UK, they called me up and said, "Yo, Chip wanna be on the track, you know." And I say, "Yeah, man, that's a good look because I read Chip from a longer while, so that's how the whole thing came about."
See, it's nice when you have music like that to have the as you said, the major label push behind it. Nice.
Yeah.
That's right.
Normally in Daytime Live would show the video, you know, but it's daytime TV. Daytime. So what persons can do, they can actually go to your YouTube channel to watch the video, right?
Right.
And if persons are searching for on YouTube, what do they look for?
Vershon Reality featuring Chip.
How do you spell the Vershon?
Vershon.
Proper.
Yeah.
All right, so since we're talking about Chip, right? Him just dropped 2 diss songs recently towards Stormzy. What you feel about that beef?
Chip and Stormzy.
Me not try to get involved with the UK music, as if not try to pick no side or I try to jump on no team because me and Chip do a song. But it's a good thing for the UK music because I heard about Stormzy, but I never really take the time out for listening music. So the fact that Chip drop this song and I diss him, I say, alright, but because what Stormzy is all about, and Stormzy is very good as well. He's a big artist.
Yeah.
So if Stormzy link, you know, I say, yo, Vershon, more a 2.0.
Hey, that brother, you mix up his
No, but that's I don't know.
Music, you know, remember music, you know, I'm not here to pick any side or separate myself from its music, and it makes sense, then I'm ready to work.
Yeah, for them beef, I don't hear.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Suppose the man is a vegetarian.
Yeah, that's what the man got chicken. You know what I want?
No chicken.
Stormzy say a little hurricane, you know, something.
All right, so your EP is titled Only One. Tell us about why you chose that title for your EP.
Because it's only one version, you know, and it's a 6-track EP produced by the Fanatics under the Warner Music label, and have a lot of features on there. Busy Signal, we have Chip, as you know, YC's from Nigeria, and Chillery Banks, she's from the UK as well. So it's like a UK Jamaica link up.
See, Busy is one of my favorite DJs, bad DJ. You know.
That's up there.
I'm a Busy Signal.
That's up there. Let me ask you, if it's 6 songs on the EP, right?
Right.
If you could add one more song to the EP and it would feature another artist, which artist did I want to put on it?
The whole of the youth, them do good nowadays, you know, so it's hard for it.
Because you pick one name, it don't mean it's favorite, but that's what I say.
No, how music really set up, you know, it's based on a vibe and an energy, because me probably pick a name now, and then later on when me finally get a rhythm, somebody different come to mind. So it's more like an energy. You know, just get up and pick a name like that.
I say you used to play football, you know, yeah. Avoid that tackle there quick and
yeah, man.
But why you try to tackle the brother?
Champions League. Champions League today.
All right, so during this whole pandemic thing, like a lot of people have been forced to. Well, everybody has really been forced to stay home. But like, have you learned anything new about yourself during the whole thing?
Yeah, because I get to realize that saving is important, because remember, we as artists, most of our income comes from touring and performing. So As I said before,
can't
it
see.
kind of teach me how to save more. So I'm sorry for all who never did that save because the pandemic there and we don't know how long it's going to last for, but hopefully I'll be fine.
I'm glad say you said that, man. You see saving artists, please listen to the man. You see saving
man.
investment and paying attention to your paperwork and your residual income are the most important thing you can do in that business, yeah, may I tell you.
Right.
Vershon, quickly, how can we find you on social media?
Important.
You can find me at Vershon. The Vershon is Vershon, and you'll get every other info there. Everything is there.
All right, nice.
Vershon, big up yourself, Papa.
The song is called Reality. The EP is called Only One.
Right.
People, go check it out. Check out the song Reality on YouTube featuring Chip. You like what I say.
Vershon, thanks so much for joining us. Now, Daytime Live will be right back with the Gleaner Letter of the Day.